Market Makers has yet another cool feature. Let's check it out. Just go to your app and then to Market Desk. Scroll down to find Sector Rotation. Let me show you what it actually does and how it's going to change the way you look at sectors. So the first thing that you will notice over here is that the chart is broken into four quadrants. This isn't your typical price chart. There is no time axis here. What you are seeing is a snapshot of every sector plotted by two things at once: how strong it is relative to the market, and whether that strength is growing or fading. Each dot that you see here is a sector, and where it sits on the chart tells you everything. Now, let me break down the four zones for you. Top right, this one is leading. These sectors are outperforming the benchmark and are still gaining momentum. At the bottom right, we have weakening, still outperforming but starting to lose momentum. Over here, we have lagging, underperforming, and losing momentum. And lastly, at the top left, we have improving. This is the interesting one. These sectors are still below the benchmark, but momentum is turning. You can scroll down to find this table that gives you a quick summary of all the sectors. You can also use these options to customize which sectors you want to observe. Now, the interesting thing about these sectors is that they don't stay still. They rotate and typically in counterclockwise direction. What you see over here is the trails, showing you the direction of travel, where the sector has been and where it's likely heading next. You can change it from the top right corner over here. You can increase or decrease it to suit your preference. You can also change the benchmark. The default is Nifty 50, but you can use other indices as well. You can also observe a particular sector by clicking over here. So this was sector rotation in a nutshell.